Who's there? Hey Barbell, what's up?
Hey Brown Barbell folks, we just wanted to drop by and say thank you for taking care of us from the last 3 months.
You wanna know what I did?
Are you sick of banging your barbell on the squat rack? Has your J cups almost torn away? Has your barbell nuddling going away because of the metal to metal contact? Is roller cups too expensive and you are not sure if there will be another stimulus check?
If you answered yes to any of these 4 questions, this video is for you.
Things you will need: Gorilla tape, scissor, and will to save your precious barbell. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, step 1 is identify the area where your bar is sitting most in your J cups. Cut the Gorilla tape to the width of the J cups and make a base with the tape. Make sure to cover the whole area wherever the bar might touch. Now the base is ready, let's wrap another layer on top of it. Make sure to use only the Gorilla tape because the Gorilla tape is the only tape in the market which can be adhesive to the uneven or the rough surfaces. The other tapes in the market won't be a good for this task. Now the base is ready. Make sure to add one more and the final layer where your barbell sits the most. This is the same area where your J cup has wear and tear on it. This is how it looks like after 3 months. The base still stands strong. There's minor wear and tear on the tape, but guess what? My barbells thank me every day. Alright, let us know in the comments if you will apply this gym hack to save your barbells. Till next video, be strong, stay safe.